a normal video this time. This is a bag of shirts. Now this finally arrived. This is from Zavi. I bought this for the what was it? Was it like Black Friday, or was it some Cyber Monday offer? But anyway, it's a mystery bag. These were 20 shirts for £30, and I'm assuming it's all dead stock. So you've got something here, Harry Potter. This is a what shirt is this? So it's the Quidditch owl logo thing. So just pretty plain shirt. So that's that. Probably sell that shirt. Don't want that. Don't really care too much about that. What is this shirt here? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So this one here is a Star Wars shirt. That's not a bad looking design. Pretty cool. And this is yeah, official Star Wars merch shirt. Put that one there. Do like the look of that. That looks nice. I might put that into my keep section. So that's one keep and one maybe to sell. Got this one here as well. This, what is this? What on earth is this? Is this Morbius or something? What is this? What is this? What, I don't know what this is. Morvello. I don't know what Morvello is. Some random sort of shirt there. So sell that. I don't care. I don't know what that is. Another shirt here. So we've got another. This is a Marvel shirt. This is Loki. It's a bit of a shame. I'm actually not even watching season 2 right now. I should be watching season 2. But yeah. Let's have a look. So this is the Loki design shirt. So I'll probably sell that because yeah. Oh, Jurassic Park shirt. I might actually keep this one. This is a medium Jurassic Park shirt, so official merch here as well. That might be a keep because that's pretty cool having that sort of iconic tee. What else we got here? We've got another Jurassic Park shirt. Yeah, Jurassic Park shirt, and it says Jurassic on the front. Jurassic Park with the dinosaur. Now I might keep this shirt because you know what, my kids love dinosaurs and they love Jurassic Park. I've got a Jaws shirt here, pretty iconic Jaws shirt here. That's what design of this thing. I might actually sell this one. There it is. Amity Island, welcome you, and it is a cool looking Jaws shirt. So I might actually sell that. Doesn't like just pop out to me too much. What is this? Pokemon. We've got ourselves a Pokemon team. Hold on. I'm sure it's meant to be 20 shirts. It looks like 10 shirts. What the I actually buy? What did I buy? So this is some random thing here. This is, oh, it's a Snorlax shirt. So Pokemon Snorlax shirt. What it says is sleep under the stars. Snorlax shirt there. I might sell that one. Doesn't. Another Loki shirt here. It's the same shirt, but this one's in green with the Loki logo. And we've got another shirt here. This is another. Don't have it. It's the same shirt. They gave me the same shirt twice. You fucking lazy bastards. And it's. I swear it's meant to be 10 shirts. I'm going to look at my order in just a second, but this is a cool looking. This is a Superman shirt. Classic Superman logo there. It is official, so yeah, probably might sell this one. It's pretty basic. I've already got the same sort of shirt, but in the classic old school Superman design. But yeah, that was 10 shirts. I'm sure it's meant to be 20 shirts. I'm pretty sure this will count. So keep, we got ourselves the Jurassic one, another Jurassic one. That was cool. The Star Wars shirt. So it's 3 keeps, and we've got sales. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 shirts there and 3 there. That's 11 shirts. It was in fact 10 shirts. So yeah, I didn't actually don't know why I was thinking 20 shirts for £30. Yeah, 10 shirts. So basically works out about £3 a shirt. Now thinking I've kept 3 shirts and I've received 8, and I got that one with the double, which I'm fine with anyway. So that means that 3 shirts that I've kept and 8 left. That means I have to sell each one for around, so I say about £4 on average a piece. Anyway, you can check out the stuff that I've got listed. As my New Year's resolution, I have set myself a target to sell off all the clothes I don't wear. So I will be listing tons of shirts and stuff. I have chosen Vinted as a platform to sell stuff on. I will be testing some stuff over there as well and do my full review on the actual selling platform Vinted. But anyway, check my stuff out. I will be hitting a link just here so you can see my stuff there for Vinted, and you can check out some of the other bits I've got listed as well. Anyway, see you guys next time. Ace out. Peace.